I want to show you how to log into PayBy so that you will not face any problem. So this is the website for PayBy's UAT platform. This is like a test platform where we can do mistakes and integrate their API in our shopping website, so or any website which we have as a e-commerce merchant. So let me put my mobile number here. Okay, and then SMS code. You won't get the OTP just by entering this. After this, putting your correct number, just click on send, then you will get CAPTCHA. So this CAPTCHA you need to enter correctly. Looking at the case sensitivity of this website, you can put correct one and then click on send. Then you will get OTP. Keep looking at your mobile. I got it now, and you heard some sound, so that is the OTP sound. 846996, and then click on sign in. There is a sign up also. You can click on sign in and you can just log in. Yeah, this is the way you should log into your PayBy's platform. Okay, thank you, bye.